If you don't like spending sleepless nights but still want a happy baby, then follow these tips. Bath time should be 2-3 times a week using gentle soap and lukewarm water. Diaper changes, keep them frequent to prevent irritation. Establish a sleep routine with a dark, quiet environment for better rest. Whether breastfeeding or formula feeding, don't forget to burp your baby after meals. Hygiene is key. Wash your hands often, especially before handling your little one. Now onto emotional care. Bond with your baby through skin-to-skin and eye contact. Respond promptly to their cues. It builds trust and comfort. Soothing techniques like gentle rocking, swaddling, and white noise can work wonders. Playtime is fun time. Engage in activities like reading and tummy time to stimulate development. Don't forget to care for yourself too. Safety tips. Ensure a safe sleep environment with a firm mattress. Use a rear-facing car seat until they're 2 years old. Install safety gates and secure furniture to prevent falls. Keep small objects out of reach to avoid choking. Follow recommended vaccination schedules. You've got this. Here's to happy parenting.